nothing more than worthless. A stupid motherfucker that would live without a purpose. Put my thoughts up on the page so I can try to prove them wrong. And every time I write a song, I reminisce about the pain that I'm repressing in my brain, so I don't have to feel alone. And I've been living with depression, so I wonder how this shit really begins. I'm comfortable with the thoughts and vision, and now it is. I've been working on this record for a minute, still I feel like nothing that I do is good enough. My insecurities are creeping in, so they will seep into the music. Ain't it funny when other people see your pain as amusing, abusing many you feel, and I'm in the way I feel, to the point of my reality's the farthest thing from real. The only thing I ever needed was a little piece of love, and I couldn't find that in people, so I was seeking in drugs, and I wanted to be the greatest. Instead of facing the truth, but the fact of the matter is that I'm losing it. What's the use? And I know I'm sounding repetitive, like a lust for living. I pray that I've been forgiven. I say it and take a picture for sinning to get this in a minute. Critical attempt to explain it, it wasn't evident. A premonition of my early death, I make it prevalent. My laughing and confessing that if I was down and out, I can't tell my soul to be relevant. Got abandoned around, let's fucking finally free. I'm ignoring all of my problems. I said I bury them deep, but I'm actually terrified, and my paranoia was verified. Cause I just realized I don't wanna make it. At 25, a suicidal psychopath, schizophrenic kind of got us looking for your empathy, hoping that you'll remember me. The message I provided collided within the melody of metamorphosis and religion, giving the battery the resurrection of a savior coming out of Nazareth, where you can catch a laceration and a crucifixion. Under what condition you make the decision, moving like a sin in my position, living at the bottom, wishing I was with it. Couldn't tell the difference. I'm tired of giving the false opinions. My faith in the book that was written by other people that probably wrote with agendas. So every word was intended for anyone who will follow attention. I got a testament, it's like the book of Mark, and I'm sparking a revolution. My story a revelation, amazing. I'd rather save and debated everything on my mind while I was taking the mental picture and pacing. My train of thought is evasive and fading within my memory from a deadly addiction of always staying sedated and claiming I wanna make it another more than a follower. No apologies for it. I'm forcing my fucking happiness. Don't know what I believe in. I'm seething embedded, breathing with thinking of positivity. The possibility that I'll be saying is like a fallacy. I got a way to go and I'm showing you people gradually. I've been imagining a better life and then I contradict the consequences, feeling like a loser with no confidence. And I've been all alone, I'm trying to find a source to end the peace and suffocate the beat until the flow is